Okay, number 8 is very similar to 7, at least 7b. The only difference is that they're giving you the miles per hour, and they kind of want you to work backwards through the problem in order to get the angular speed in revolutions per minute. So same setup though. We start with a fraction with the known 55 miles per 1 hour. And we say we need a couple fractions. Maybe we need 3, maybe we need 4. It's kind of one of those we don't know. So I'm going to set it equal to our ending fraction. So we need revolutions per minute. So I know I'm going to end in that per minute. So if we look at that, we know what units we start with. We have hours. So we have hours and we want minutes. Again, that's usually the easier one to start with because it's a pretty direct, I know how to get from one to the other. So if that's the case, we're going to have 1 hour as our first fraction as 60 minutes. And as you see, the hours cancel. We have minutes and we want minutes. So we're done there. Now we need to get miles back to revolutions, which if you follow the video in 7b, it's actually the exact opposite. We started with revolutions and needed miles. So miles, the first thing we should probably do is get that back down to feet. So 5280 feet in a mile. Units of miles cancel. We'll use the numbers later. So now we have feet per minute. And the one thing to note, we do have information regarding the tire in feet, 2.6 feet in diameter. So the last thing we can do is we can say that 1 revolution of this tire, 1 revolution is 1 circumference. And the equation for circumference can be written 2 times pi times radius, 2 pi r. It can also be written as pi times diameter. So we can write this pi times the diameter, 2.6. And that would be feet. 2.6 feet. Sorry, pi times 2.6 feet per revolution. So we've got the units canceling here. We have revolutions on top. We have minutes on bottom. All we need to do is multiply all the top numbers, figure out the bottom numbers, and divide. So let's do that. So 55 times 5280. 55 and 5280. That gives us a pretty large number, 290,400. On the bottom, it's 60 and then pi times 2.6. So that would be our bottom number. So we need to take 290,400 on top divided by 490.088. So we take our 290,400 divided by, and then second negative key answer, 592.55. So that's 592. Let's just erase that portion. And that was revolutions per minute. So 592.55 revs per minute. I'll leave it just looking like that, but that should be your final answer on that one. So that's what we got there for number 8. It's a very short video, but I don't want to mix lessons within one video, so I'm just going to give you that 8, and we'll move on to 9 in the next video.